Hello YouTube, hello the Silver Forum. Just conserving a couple of sovereigns today. Two 1980s that came from a fellow YouTuber, Sean Oliver. He's a lovely guy. He sent them to my mate and they've come to me for a little bit of conservation work. Everybody knows what these coins were from right at the start, so these wasn't, these were sold as proof sovereigns with possible issues, so everybody's fully aware of what they were getting. That's what I'm trying to get at. So it is what it is. These are very typical of 1980 proof sovereigns. The fields they're just dirty. If I can just get zoomed in a little bit, you can just see it. The overall fields are just dirty, spotty, greasy, and they have toned over the years. There's nothing you can do about that a great lot. There's a hint of a hairline on the obverse of this one, basically in front of the face. The spotlight's bouncing off the ceiling there. There's a hint of a hairline, but it is what it is. I think everybody's happy with the coins that they've bought, and it's my job to see if we can bring it back to life again, just make it look a bit more, bit better. But if you look back of the shoulder there, again with the lights bouncing off the ceiling there, there's just a lot of greasy pickup. Like I say, it's not an horrendous coin. I've definitely seen worse. So that's 1980 number 1, and this is 1980 number 2. And I think buying coins this way is a low-cost way of completing date runs. If you want, if some people collect proof sovereigns for consecutive dates, and I think if you can pick these up for a roundabout bullion price, or when I say bullion price, the price of a normal bullion sovereign, to make that clear, you can't really go wrong in my opinion. Actually, I think the nice coins are really attractive. I don't have the best light in the room today. The sun's gone down, so it's a little bit over-saturated yellow, but you can see the coins anyway. And again, these are especially around the fields there. Going back, where his cloak is, it's just generally dirty and what have you, but it's very, very typical of a 1980 proof sovereign. And again, on this one there is more dirt and debris in front of the face here. You can see it out there. Well, we can see that there. There's quite a lot, isn't there? Around about a forehead and back of a head. So we'll see how these get on. This is a 1980, the first one after the first process, and it's looking a little bit better. The fields are cleaner, and just to show you there's no sort of camera trickery going on and what have you, I need to be careful doing this. In my other hand, this is the other 1980 which hasn't had the process yet. So we've managed to get away with quite a bit of toning on this coin to make it almost, I think that looks almost like brand new. And like I said, there's no camera trickery. One coin there, one coin there. Just gotta be careful how we look at it. So it just gives you an idea that we can bring these coins back to something that resembles what they were like when they came out of the mint. So the next step is I'll do this 1980 now. I will give this a second go with another process. I am using some quite harsh, they can be harsh chemicals, so you do this at your own risk. I use quite a lot of laboratory sort of PPE. Just be careful when I'm doing this process, because you're using some chemicals that can be quite nasty. But in terms of that proves there's no sort of trickery going on. I think if them two were in the shop and you're going to buy one, it was obvious you'd buy that over that one. So we'll see how we get on with the next step. So this is the second one back. I think there's still a few little marks on the fields. I don't think this will grade a 70, being totally honest with you. There's a few little marks in the fields which you can't get away from. But it's nice for the collection, and I think it brightens up pretty nicely. So that's both of them together side by side. Yeah, I'm pleased with the results. I'm sure the owner of these coins will be happy. I will give these another go off camera just to get rid of one or two little marks which is nagging me. And I don't want to bore you guys to death. I don't know if anybody's actually watching these conservation videos, but I just wanted to show you that you can actually buy sort of secondary market pre-sovereigns and not be too upset if they are greasy, foggy. The main issues to look out for is scratches and contact marks. You can't do anything with those. Again, there's a few little bits there, but I can sort that out off camera. So thanks for watching today, folks. And it is possible to make a quite a grubby coin look quite nice. Again, there's a few little marks there and I'm just going to blast off. So thanks for watching. I'm sure everybody involved will be happy with the results. I'll see you again. Ta-da.